streaming, specifically multi-streaming. Beautiful thing, but kind of sucks multi-streaming when it lacks so many tools that us streamers need, such as if you're watching on Twitch and you got people talking on YouTube, you're kind of missing half the conversation because, well, there's no chat relay. Well, guys, I have a solution for you as a much requested thing for me to cover here on the channel. I'm going to teach you guys with streamer.bot how to relay chat messages. Now, of course, guys, you don't need to, but I would highly recommend, as always, to be on the latest version of streamer.bot. Currently, that's 1.0.4. Depending on when you watch this video, it might be a newer version, but I would always check anyway. So first things first, guys, I'm going to resume. You already have the bot downloaded and you have what platforms you use logged in. As I personally use Twitch, YouTube, and Kick, those are all of the platforms I personally will be talking about in this video. So once you have it downloaded with the latest version and you're logged into all your accounts, you want to head over to Actions, and then you want to go to Actions and Add. Now, what you want to do is you want to add, for me personally, I have one of each platform. As like I say, I'm on all three: Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. You want to name them to the appropriate platforms, so chat, Twitch, chat, YouTube, chat, Kick. The group, you can name your group whatever you want, so it's easier for you to find what you need. You want to have always running enabled, and you also want the bottom option also enabled. And then obviously make sure that the action itself is enabled, or else it won't work. Now in your triggers, you want to right click, add, and then for this example, you want to add Twitch and then chat message. This is the trigger which will activate everything going on with the bot. So now we want to go over to sub actions. And then, as it would be easier to find, you want to go to search and then type if / equal. So you want to add that. You want to add if, and then what you want for your actual info is for the input. You want %user %. And for the option, you want match. Obviously have auto turned on if it's not already. For the value, you can leave this blank if you want. Personally, I wouldn't if you don't want your bots of multiple platforms spamming your chat. So, for example, you don't want stream elements, for example, spamming your messages from Kick to YouTube when it's already messaging in YouTube. So you want to do your value like this, followed by the usernames you want to basically blacklist. Once you've done all that, click OK. And then once you've done that, you will have the results down here, truth and false. In truth, you want to go add, go to core and go to logic and add break. Now you don't need to do anything else for that. You can just have it as it is. Now for your false, you want to add Twitch and or Kick. You want to add YouTube and or Kick, sorry. Since we already have Twitch. So this will be messages from Twitch being sent to YouTube Kick. So what you want to do is you want to go right click on false, add, and then whatever platform we're adding the Twitch message to. So in this case, let's say YouTube, send message to channel. Alternatively, if you are doing Kick, you want to go Kick, chat, send message to channel. And then in the actual message, you don't really need to add anything I have done. You can literally just do percentage, message, percentage, and then click OK. But if you want to be a bit more creative, you can do what I have done, where you put what platform they're messaging from. So then people know, hey, Echo also streams on blank. And then you can do percentage, user, percentage to actually show in chat exactly who is saying the thing and from what platform. And then once you are happy with everything, you want to click OK. Now, of course, by default, send by our bot account and fall back to broadcaster should by default be on. If they're not, make sure they are, because obviously you want the message to be sent by your bot account. And then fall back to broadcaster. If for whatever reason there's that issue with your bot account, it will post on your account. So make sure those are on if they're not already. But once you're happy with your setup, click OK. And then just repeat the process for whatever other platforms. So, like I said, you got Twitch going into YouTube Kick. And then you got, for me personally, YouTube going into Twitch Kick. And then Kick going into Twitch YouTube. So you just want to keep repeating the process for whatever platforms you use. But yeah, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, drop a like, drop comment, drop sub. Let me know in the comments if there's any other streamer bot related videos you guys want me to cover. As these videos do take time for me to obviously do. But yeah, peace out, guys. Have a good one.